Hey, hello everyone. Today we're gonna unbox.
Brand new Dewalt Jigsaw machine. So we have to open the box. This label is it's not a plastic, it's a eco-friendly tape. Okay, we have to open that. Wow, Dewalt DWE Jigsaw machine. This machine is packed with 650 watts power and the rotational power 500 to 3200 per minute. The MRP is 8790, but I bought it from Amazon 5009. Okay, let's open it. Here's the brand new Dewalt TWE349 Jigsaw machine. It's a user manual. Oh, what the? There is only one jigsaw blade is here. They provide only one blade for that one machine. Guaranteed tough. But the blade is limited to one. The packaging is also quite simple. Let's see the user manual. There is a store locator and user manual. There is a complete guidance to operate all these machines. Beyond all of this company gives the 2-year uncompromised warranty on manufacturing defect. And see the service locator. There is a bunch of service locator across the India, so definitely you can go for it. There is a see there. It's look nearly 2000 service centers. There is a Dewalt genuine warranty card. Finally we go for the pretty machine. Build quality of this jigsaw machine is so genuine. That's why they're giving a advertise like guaranteed tough. They provide bevel mount for the angle cut, so you can set the angle to cut the wood for a 90 degrees to the left or right position to cut the wood. This machine gives a 3-position pendulum action for that cutting. It has a 6-speed motor speed for the soft to hard work condition. Ranges from 500 to 3200 revolution per minute, so you can get the perfect cut for the desired wood. They provide simple bevel lock, one-click adjustment, and pull the lever arm to set the angle position, so you can get the desired angle cut. They set the angle to 45 degree left and 45 degree to the right position. This is a maximum angle for that given jigsaw machine. Position pendulum adjustment clip. There is a straight and final one is a slightly angle varied, so you can get the perfect cut. There is a simple click the lever arm to set the position. There is no key provided for the any adjustment, the bevel mount or the pendulum action or the Jigsaw blade machine insert. No key required for any kind of operations. All locks having a simple lock mechanism, so hand is enough to do the all locking operations. Plastic is provided underneath the product. For the 650 watts power motor, they provide a lot of air vents, so they give a warning to do not use in the moisture or rainy condition. So only one blade speed wood T244. Okay, just I'll plug the machine to the power. There is 2 pin given for that machine. No body yet connection. Let's start the machine. This machine have a unique dust removing system. All other normal machines have a dust air dust one. So all the dust will flow to the back hose. But this Dewalt machine, there is no dust section hole is not provided here. So now we can attach the Jigsaw blade to the machine. Now we're gonna check it with the performance and the steadiness of the machine while running, whether it is make a noise or about the steadiness and about the performance. We're going to check all of these factors. I have used a lot of jigsaw machines like in Black Turtle, Royable, but this machine steadiness is remarkably so good. There is no vibration present in this machine while cutting. It's a definitely guaranteed tough machine overall any other cutting machines, so you can definitely go for it. The value of the machine and the steadiness and the performance is 4.8 out of 5. The drawback is there is only one jigsaw blade and no box given for that machine. Subscribe our channel for getting more interesting and informational videos.